Gates open, they're up and racing just like it. Then moving up party outside. Maximum exposure running by the rail. Bullseye and sneaking in his zigzag as they race towards the last 900. Bullseye leading the field. Zigzag running by the rail. Maximum exposure on the outside. Then racing in fourth, Prince Purdy down in fifth, just like it, Peerless running alongside his guided missile by the rail. Dayang Lord Gold, and trailing the group is Graceful Conqueror. Rounding at the last 600, Bullseye leading the field. Prince Purdy in second, guided missile now getting closer in third, just like it, racing in fourth, down in fifth is Peerless. One moving a party outside is the favorite, Lord Gold, as they swing for home. Bullseye still leading the field. Then moving up is Lord Gold, guided missile in between runners. Peerless and sneaking in down on the inside with the last 150 more to run. Lord Gold, the favorite, starts to draw away by about 6 lengths. Bullseye drops back in second, and finally Lord Gold. Bullseye, Fearless, then comes Guided Missile, and just like it, for your Pentafecta.